Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to replace a broken speed sensor here. Now these will get broken a lot of times. I see them break right here at the plug. So we're going to pull the plug right off. It's got a little tab here on the back. This one is broken off, but you will press that and that will release a catch on the inside here. You can see that little part go up, and you're only going to need one tool for this, and that is the T25 Torx wrench that will come in your ATV toolkit. If you don't have one, be sure to check out the link below. I'll have a wrench down there for you for this T25. A lot of the stuff on your ATV is going to be T25 for these Arctic cats, so that's a good tool to have. And there's one T25 bolt on this sensor right under here, and that is how that plug will come out. I'll show you how to do that. So let's change out this broken plug for a new one. Once you've got this unplugged, you've just got this one little bolt right here. Unscrew that, and then this plug itself will just pull straight out down the bottom here, and that is your plug right there. What these plugs do, I don't know if a stick gets in here or something, and this plug gets jarred around, and that will crack the plug off right like that. Alright, so then you'll just take your new plug and slip that right back in there. Line up your bolt hole right there, and then you'll just snug that bolt back in there. Now that you've got your new plug on there, just stick the plug back on. Alright, so that's how to replace the speed sensor plug on your Arctic Cat ATVs. It's probably similar for a lot of other ATV brands. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to smash that like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.